what everybody's here to see. Fresh in from the Netherlands, from GoPro themselves. The Hero 8 Black. I may have pulled the bottom a little bit a minute ago, but I thought I'd save it for you. Right then, magnetic swivel clip, head strap, Shorty, rechargeable battery 1, rechargeable battery 2, finally a memory card. Alright, let's unbox them properly. So let's get these other bits out of the way for now. Let's focus on this. Right, so at the bottom, normally there's a little tiny pull cord. You literally pull it straight across here. Unfortunately, this is the third take, so I've already pulled it off, obviously the first time. So then these two go down, these two bits pop out. There's a little hole here for you to put your finger through so you can pull this out, and there it is in all its glory. GoPro Hero 8 Black. Looking absolutely stunning. Right, so what you can do to take it off, there's a little rubber here. You pull it up, and then two little clips. Clip them in, and you push the camera forward. There you go, the camera's now come off. So I'll just set this aside for the moment. Now, on this little bit of box here, let me just move this out of the way as well. Okay, so inside here is all your guff. So your guff kind of drops out from here. You've got all your warranty bits and how to use it, how to install it, quick install and stuff, you know, the usual sort of bits and bobs. Okay, and then inside here is our charger and bits, so let's have a little look. So you pop that open, this side, down, and bam. Yeah, what have we got here then? So, your first little clip, a little bit of 3M tape on the top, stick that to whatever you want. See people use these for all sorts of bits and bobs, so anything you like really. Let's pop that there. USB-C cable, fantastic. And of course your battery. That's it, everything out the box. Okay, so before we move on to the next bit, I was just going to say, on the top of here, this plastic little mount. Some people just throw them straight away, some people keep them. I mean, realistically, that's a lovely little mount there. You could take that off. Maybe if you're going to store your camera somewhere, you could stick it onto a surface and have it so your camera clips in. You always know where it is. I mean, there's a million uses. So personally, stickers there. I personally wouldn't bin that. I'd just keep that bit if you're going to go ahead and bin the box. If you're going to keep the box for resale value, because obviously things are worth a lot more when you resell them and they've got the original box, then I'd probably just leave it on there, because it's going to look very strange because you won't have anything to mount it to when you're putting it straight back into your box again. So yeah, there we go, first bit down. Right, and now we'll go on to one of the other bits. Okay, before I go on to these bits, let's quickly finish this one off. Right, so on here there is a little tiny holding clip that you need to take off first. You just unscrew that, the bottom bit pops off, and there it is. It's a little removable clip. You just push it around and it comes off. That is purely so that when it's in the container, when it's in the box, this little clip keeps the camera staying upright, just in case in movement, in shipping, it moves around, and obviously you don't want your camera pointing the wrong way. Okay, and I thought that before we go on, I might as well show you just popping the battery in. Oh, coming out of focus a bit, we don't like that. Right, so on this side, there's a little clip bit here. You push it down, when you can see it's red, it means it's unlocked. So then, you just push it down, and straight in there, you can see where the battery goes. It's also might be a little bit hard to see, but there you go. And that is the USB-C charger port. Okay, so let's get the battery in there. So looking inside, it's quite clear. Just pops straight in there. So it goes straight back down and then pushes in. And there we go, the battery is in there. Right, just thought I'd go through that a little bit before we carry on. Right then, so now we've done the GoPro, so let's look at the accessories. So let's do, I don't know, magnetic swivel clip. Okay, so this one is just a standard little bit of plastic down the bottom. So poking through the top here, you can see a few of the bits already. Very nice. So this is the genuine, actual one made by GoPro for attaching to your bags and whatever you need to. Some people have them attached to their shoulders somehow and so on and so forth. Really nice, strong grip on there. I mean, fantastic. That's not going anywhere. Obviously a very nice looking mount as well. Lovely. Right. So now in here, I believe that this should just lift up. Oh, there we go. So that side, does it just lift up? Am I doing this wrong? Nope. I think I'm doing it right. Right, I'm just going to go for it. I'm splitting it a little bit here. Okay. Oh, Jesus. There we go. So you do need to actually just force it a little bit. Right. So, as with everything else, to the little collection, another little screw things. So okay, you probably should have just pulled that bit down first. Oh well, you live you learn. At least when you buy your bits, you'll know what to do and what not to do. So when you do it, you just lift that front bit down first, and then these open up. One of them, isn't it? Okay, so another little mount. Obviously, GoPro, if you have one, it comes with one already. This seems to be a slightly higher one, whereas the one that actually comes with the GoPro is a much lower one. So let's just clip it in. There you go. Right, shall we attach the GoPro to it? Why not? Okay, let's lift these two bits out. Love this new design. The little push-up is absolutely fantastic, and it's brand new to the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Not sure if the GoPro Hero 8 normal, non-black edition has it. I'm quite certain it will do. I can't imagine they've changed the design too much. There you go, that's fitted in. Ooh, probably a little bit too tight, to be honest. Right, let's get that. Find that nice little angle you want. Look at that, absolutely lovely. And there you go, so you can swivel it around. The whole bit moves around, and what I've found, like I've used a couple of the cheaper ones off like eBay or Amazon. I mean, this one here this is the one I use with my my little Session 4. It's okay, but you can just tell it's cheapish. I mean, it does the job, but if you want to go for something a little bit more fancy, I mean, look at that, the whole thing moves around. Whereas with this, it's just that little section there, and it feels so strong as well. It's got such a nice grip to it, so definitely recommend getting one of them. I can't wait. It's going to be one of my main things when I'm going out detecting, while I'm doing maybe some walks, bit of metal detecting, boot sailing. Perfect, straight onto my bag, done and dusted. Okay, so that's that. Oh yeah, also before, of course that's silver, that's not going to be magnetic, but anyway, this is magnetic, so it will stick to something if you want to fix it somewhere, I don't know, on your car or something. So while you're videoing, let's say you're doing something under the bonnet, you got your bonnet up, you can attach it straight to it, point your GoPro down to you doing your engine work down the bottom, and bam, sorted. Lovely. Right, let's go on to the next bit. Hello there, and this is the bag strap. So at the minute it's touched the front of my bag. It has to rank my #1 on the feel chart. I mean, you can't even tell it's there, to be honest. Obviously other people will be able to see you walking around with it, but it's quite easy, fits on there quite nicely, very secure. And I mean, you could have it here, you could have it all the way up on your shoulder and be pointing the camera down, all different angles. Definitely my favourite strap, my favourite clip. Obviously I've got it there, but you can have it with the clip on the other side. One sec, let me swap it over. I just moved it around. Clip is facing outwards. I mean, it's a very, just can't tell it's there, so definitely a top favourite. Especially this would be really good for when I go around the boot sales, because it's obviously I'll probably have it a little bit further down, so it's pointing a little bit down to look at the tables and stuff. I've tried out a head strap as well, but I don't really feel that comfortable walking around looking at people's stalls with a massive camera smack bang in the middle of my forehead. I feel this one's a little bit better, a bit less in your face, but yeah. Okay, so what we got left? Dun dun dun. Let's just go for the head strap. Why not? Let's move those two nicely out of the way over there. Get my focus back over to here. Yes, this is where you need to be. Right, once again on the bottom, little piece of plastic. Come on, focus back in. Really doesn't want to focus today. Let's cut that nice little bit of plastic. Straight down. Whoa, look at that. So, we'll lift out the bottom. So everything from the box. Yep, so this whole thing here is everything that's inside the box. So what have we got? Another one of these. The little screws. Another little fixing mount. Ooh, very nice one actually. Look at that. Pushes onto the head strap. Then the head strap itself. Let's take these little bands that's securing it on. Strange. Okay. Alright. Let's just unwrap it all. Sorry about that. Anyway, where was I? All unstrapped. Okay. So, quite a nice fitting. So that bit goes over the top of your head. It's got little grippy bits inside. Whoa. God, they're nice, aren't they? To stop it obviously moving around, because the GoPro is quite heavy on the front of it, you don't really want all that weight not having the extra grip and support, so grip onto your head. Yeah, there you go. That's at the back, little GoPro, so everyone knows you've got the real deal. GoPro. Okay. Nice little padded bit as well at the back there. So the GoPro itself can fit straight on to the front little bracket mount there. If I actually push it on enough. Doesn't quite want to screw in, but that's so that's not ideal. So it pushes all the way through, but just doesn't cleanly screw in there. Well, that's not too good, is it? Let's see if it's this. Maybe it's the taper. So we'll grab one of the other ones, one of the other bits. Yeah, so there you go. That one. This one, so it actually came with this one. Obviously the thread has got a bit of an issue. It's not screwing on properly, so I'm going to need to get in contact with them and discuss that. Let's give it one more try. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt. Ah, and there you go. Maybe it was the thread inside here, and when I screwed this one in, it sorted the thread out in there. So anyway, that's on now, finally. So there you go. I'll go straight onto the top of your head. And look great. Okay, so as part of the kit is this little clip here. Now, this is part of the overall kit. So you got your main bit for your head, that's at the back. This bit, apparently, according to the box, is designed to go on the back of a hat. So, I mean, yeah, if you want to have it behind you, why not? But yep, that's that one unveiled, done, dusted. On to the next one. Okay, so this is the head strap. It's actually very, very comfortable. Feels probably the most secure so far. I mean, I could probably wear this for a whole day easily. So I'm quite liking this, probably one of my favourite out of the straps so far. Accessory, so yeah, pretty good. This is the camera on the front of the cap. It just clips straight onto the cap. I mean, it's pretty good. I like the position, but the weight on the cap is just, feels like it's pulling your neck forward. And the weight is quite a bit. I mean, it feels like after a whole day it's seemed to get on your nerves. So that's angle 1. This is angle 2. Just fits onto the little strap of your hat. I mean, it moves around a little bit, but it feels slightly more, I don't know. It doesn't feel as bad on your head because it's not pulling you forward, but at the same time it still doesn't feel 100% secure, and it feels almost like if you threw your head down too much, it probably would come off. I mean, it's not the strongest, but it wasn't uncomfortable. So I mean, maybe if you had a bit more thicker strap, or maybe something where your cap came down a little bit more and it had a bit more room to grip on. But yeah, that was it on the back. Okay, so we're down to our last 2 bits. Obviously this one is actually 2 separate ones, but there's no point in opening them both unless you really want me to. But yeah, Shorty here, so let's go with the Shorty. I'll leave them until last, the most boring bits. Okay, so as they all, one little bit of plastic tape along the back. The bottom pops down. Oops, put it down upside down. There it is, little Shorty. Now, I wasn't originally planning on actually getting one of these, but when I saw the little bundle online, I thought, why not? It came with it anyway. Yeah. So a little Shorty's good because there you are. It stands up. You've got yourself a little tiny mount. So you can either hold it. So let's actually attach the camera on here, and it'll be much easier to explain. So you just unscrew this little bolt there. Push your camera on. Is that holes lined up? Yep, there you go, holes all lined up. And then you put your screw through. Let's just screw it on. Hopefully I can speed this up a bit. There we go, right, that's fully on there now. So you can either have it going out and about, walking up, doing your touristy bits and bobs, or bam, bam, bam. You can have it sitting on the side. Let's say you're describing something really small you've just found. You can be like, well, look, lovely little knife here, as you can see. Very nice, very nice. So I mean, this is pretty handy. I mean, there's quite a few uses. And instead of all the people that are running around holding their GoPros from the sides going, oh yeah, look, that's great, that's great. Got a nice proper handle, get it nice and attached. Straight there, lots of control. If you want to go for the angles, I mean, yeah. But yeah, that's the Shorty. Push it straight back in again. Last but not least, we got the batteries. So, very boring. Let's just pop these open. As all the others. One little bit of tape across the back. Nice little bit to pull. And there it is. In all its glory. I tell you what, when I actually looked to buy these, in my head I just didn't think the batteries were that small from the image, but of course when you actually look at the relativity to the size of the actual camera, it makes perfect sense. But yeah, so there's that one unboxed. So you might as well just get this over and done with. I know I did that one upside down. There we go, straight out. There it is, all its glory. GoPro battery. And that's everything. Hello there, and thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed our unboxing video today. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Thanks again.